I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube and on social media telling you how you can make money online. None of these videos can make you become a millionaire in your 20s. These videos are lies and BS. Trust me, some of these people become millionaires themselves by actually sharing affiliate links with you in their videos or actually selling you a course, and this would only make them become a millionaire, but not you yourself. Having a job is not enough to become a millionaire in your 20s. One very overlooked factor towards becoming a millionaire in your early 20s is your mindset. You might think this is just something you've always heard, but trust me, the truth is that the more you think that you cannot become a millionaire, the more you think that you cannot make money, the more you are not able to do the things that you're supposed to do to help you become a millionaire in your 20s. The way you view yourself and the way you carry yourself is a very big factor. It's just like having no self-esteem. The way you walk, the way you talk and interact with people would show that you have low self-esteem, and these things can actually attract the kind of people in your life. So your mindset have to, be something that is shifted into a place of abundance and believing in yourself that you can become a millionaire. Self-doubt is one of the best way to actually stop yourself from becoming someone who can make money. Don't sit on turning your passion into money. Find a way to monetize your gift and your passion. One thing about doing what you love and you're passionate about is that it feels like less work. You wake up in the morning and you're very excited to do it because this is something that you love. So a lot of people actually sleep on making money from their talent. If you know how to sing, find a way to monetize it. If you know how to, bake, find a way to monetize it. If you know how to make people feel better and, just motivate people, find a way to monetize it. You can monetize whatever you are good in. Social media is a very, very good platform where you can sell yourself and your talent. If you are on YouTube, for example, and you are a very, great singer, you can post your music on YouTube and you can make money from it. If you know how to, do designs and graphics, there are digital platforms that you can sell those creative, knowledge that you have. Don't sit or sleep on monetizing your passion and your talent. If you want to go on the path of making money, you must know that value change. Your value can change anytime. What you want at a particular stage of your life can actually change. At this stage, you might be 22 and you might want to travel the world. You might want to do a lot of shoppings, buy a lot of bags, a lot of shoes, but maybe you are now 28 and your priority has changed or your value has changed. You now want to, be somebody who has an enterprise, build a business and, just do some other things that are different from what you wanted to do as at when you were 22. It is completely okay. It is completely okay to have a change of value. Surround yourself with people that share the same goals and value as you, because these are the people that would motivate you to do what you have to do in order to become successful. You are a mirror of the people that you spend your time with. You are also a reflection of the people that you watch online, the content that you watch online, the influencers that you watch online. Because nowadays we spend so much time on actually watching content than the time that we spend on interacting with real people on a daily basis. So if you are someone who is not, following people and watching content that would motivate you and push you to do what you have to do in order to be successful, you would have a difficult time, reaching your goals. You have to watch content that would push you towards your goals and, would motivate you to become what you want to become. Doubt your work and not yourself. Having self-doubt is actually a killer of success. You can actually doubt your work. If you feel like you've not done a good job, you can have doubts on your work, and that would help you improve and become better. When you have doubts on yourself, it actually would demotivate you to actually keep moving forward. So instead of having doubts on yourself, have doubts on your work and find a way to, improve and make it better, right? So stop doubting yourself and instead make the doubt be on your work and find a way to improve on that work. I listened to someone who said that you have to invest in yourself and also build a safety net so that when you invest and you fail, you don't actually, just lose everything. You have something to fall back to. So you have to build a safety net. It's just like going up on a ladder, and when you have a net in the middle and you fall down, you're going to fall on that net and you'll be in the midpoint, so you don't have to fall all the way down and starting again. Do you understand? So building a safety net is like having investment. Your investment can actually also be diversified, so that when anything goes wrong in whatever you're doing, you have an investment, you have something to fall back to. Investing in yourself is one of the biggest ways to grow and become successful. A lot of people don't do this. I recently started to learn this on my own, and since I have been investing in myself, it has been an entirely different game changer for me. Investing in yourself is like, building on your skills, your passion, your talents, whatever you know how to do. Read books. If you cannot, spend money on books, there are online books that are free. There are a lot of people who, put out great content that can teach you, to become better at what you're doing. If you come on YouTube, you see a lot of great content that you can watch that can help you become a better version of yourself. It is always better to dig deeper than dig wider, because when you dig deeper, it's like you're becoming better at what you're doing. You're going deeper into what you know how to do than just having 1% of knowledge on your passion and then you move to something else. From that 1%, you can make it 50, you can make it 100. Just learn. Invest on yourself, because when you are a better person, when you work on yourself, people around you would see that and they would want to associate with you, and that is the way you get opportunities, really. And opportunities is what can lead to success. Having opportunities can lead you to becoming successful, and the people who you also associate with can also affect how much opportunities that you get. Associate yourself with people that can bring opportunities to you, and the way you can do this is by becoming better yourself. It can be in your communication skill. Starting a YouTube channel made me very confident. Like, speaking to the camera has made me very, very confident and more eloquent, right? Just work on building yourself and see how it becomes a game changer for your finance. Being motivated is very good, but being disciplined is better, because when you are disciplined, you would get up and do what you have to do even when you don't feel like it. It is better than just having a push, being motivated. So if you are disciplined, no matter how you're feeling, you're going to complete that task that you have at hand. Discipline has to be in all areas of your life. You cannot pick and choose where you would be disciplined in. You have to be disciplined in every area of your life. How early you wake up, what you do every day. You have to dedicate a number of time every day that you are building yourself. It can be on research, it can be on just have a specific number of hours that you use to improve yourself in a day. You cannot go a whole day without doing anything. You can either watch YouTube videos, content that can help you become better. You can read books. You can go out there and do your job. You cannot sit in your house and become successful. Successful people are people who make moves. You have to get up and start making moves. Discipline would help you flush away procrastination, because procrastination is a very big thief of success. So just know that procrastination should not even be something that you're doing. If you have a task, if you have discipline, no matter how you're feeling, you get up and do it. You don't need any motivation. You don't need anybody to start pushing you to do anything when you are disciplined. I hope that after you have watched this video, you're able to change your mindset and your approach towards making money and becoming successful. If this video was helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.